Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you my absolute favorite protein and nutrient packed ice cream that I make with my Ninja Creami. I had to share this with you guys because I was absolutely over the moon when I found that Lineage came out with this at AB Complete, because I'm not a big fan of using protein powders. They are usually packed with artificial fillers and sweeteners and things that absolutely take away from your health and do not add to your health. This 100% adds into a healthy diet. So it's made with completely grass-fed beef and an organ blend. It has colostrum. It also has organic fruit and berry, organic maple syrup, and coconut water. It's packed with 20 grams of protein and literally only 5 grams of carbs. And it's so tasty. You can just have this by itself without adding anything to it. But what I wanted to show you is how to construct this creamy, because it literally is like a nice ice cream. And I'm going to show you what I've constructed as being just the base. And after this, you have thousands of options of ways to make this, but doing the base, you can change your mind every day on what you want to add into it and do your add-ins later. So for now, let's just get to the base. So I'm going to use, for this base, I'm going to use half a cup of coconut milk. Those good healthy fats in there really make it thick, rich, and creamy. Now, if you can tolerate milk and that's your choice, then definitely go for that. I'm going to use a full scoop here. I want all those good nutrients. And I'm just going to take just a little hand mixer here. Give it a good mix. There's really so many variations of this, guys. You can have so much fun. And sit and have like an ice cream treat that totally benefits your health. There's no guilt with this ice cream. And now if you wanted to make like big batches, of course, you could make this really quick and more efficient by just throwing it in the blender and giving it a good blend first, and then just rationing it out in your different containers. Alright, we have a nice blend here. Now, I'm going to use here some organic vanilla to add flavor to it. I don't even measure it, I honestly, and just throw it in the cap here. I'm trying to make this quick and easy meal prep, And this equals out to be about half a teaspoon if you would like to be, specific about your measurements. So we're just going to do that, and if you want extra sweetener, I would recommend some maple syrup. I do like that. I'll put about a tablespoon. Or if you can tolerate stevia and you like stevia, wanting to keep the carbs low, then by all means do that. And guys, that's it for the base. Sometimes I may add a little coconut water to get it a little fuller here. And of course, that's your choice. So you're going to want to leave room. If you're going to be adding fruits and things to the end, you want to leave room because your line for your creamy is right here. So yeah, so you definitely want your liquids to be about half. And that is actually it. And it is so delicious. So as soon as I get this all frozen up, I'll show you guys the finished product and what we can do with it. Much love, guys. Mwah. All right, so for the reveal, everything is all nice and frozen. And again, remember, this is our animal-based ice cream base. I left it, not all the way full in the event that I wanted to add things here. So we're just going to pop this in. I don't know if you are new to the Ninja Creami. I am. I'm still learning. So if you have any great tips, please send it my way. But yeah, I'm just going to put this on the light ice cream function here. And I'll tell you, I've been so happy with this. This has been just such a nice addition to the kitchen, because at night, I can have an ice cream that is protein and completely fits in with my my body composition goals, and it's just a really nice treat to have at night. So we will give this a spin. All right, so let's take a look at what we have here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The texture is like crumbly. So what I'm going to do is add a little more of my coconut milk. I like mine to be like really thick. I usually just eat this base as it is straight out of the container. But we'll talk more about that. So I'm just going to put in like a good, that was probably probably 2 tablespoons, I would say. And we're just going to give this another spin so that it creams up. And with this one, I'm just going to hit the respin here. All right, let's see what we have here. Sometimes we have to spin it twice. It just really depends on your taste and what you like. So this is like very, very thick, you can see, and that is how I like mine. But I will add a little more and just show you what it looks like to make it a little thinner. All right, let's see where we're at now. Yeah, it's still pretty thick, but really, really good. So let me show you. Look at that. How nice is that? So good. And like I said, you guys, I love this base so much. I usually don't even add anything to it. I eat it just like that. But a really, really good topper for this would be to use a little bit of the honey, and it sweetens it up just enough. It's just so delicious. And guys, I just wanted to share with you, you know, I do not endorse any products right now. I'm very, very picky about what I put my name to. But I'll tell you, as a holistic nutritionist and master coach, I am telling you that this is, to me, the best addition that I could have in my diet. I highly recommend it. There's a code drop down at the bottom of the video. You can get your percentage off for signing up for that. If you get it, let me know. Let me know what your thoughts are on it. But that it's that simple and so, so good.